Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snipping Tool and taking or opening your screenshot. This places editable ink on the image. Next, select the ink or draw mode so the eraser becomes available. Once done, switch to the eraser tool and hover to see which strokes are removable. This helps you avoid deleting the screenshot itself. Make sure to zoom in for precision. Erasing targets pen strokes rather than pixels, so you preserve the underlying image while cleaning annotations. You want to work methodically. Zoom in and choose a comfortable view so the eraser affects only intended ink. Click and drag to sweep away multiple marks, or tap once to clear a single annotation. That distinction matters because tap targets the nearest stroke while drag removes a path of ink. Once done, pan to other areas and repeat, adjusting pen and eraser size as needed so you don't over-erase. This approach preserves underlying content and keeps your edits tidy. You finish by saving or copying the corrected image so your erasures are permanent. Use Ctrl+S or copy to clipboard right away. If the eraser isn't visible, make sure Snipping Tool is in draw mode and that ink annotations exist. Otherwise, update Windows or restart the app. Once done, use Ctrl+Z to undo any mistaken erasure. This immediately restores deleted strokes. Finally, export a PNG or JPG to share. And remember to keep an original backup before heavy edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.